Hello, welcome to Final Project. It's in some ways similar to Project 3, but there's an additional deliverable and it's actually worth 100 points. So you should be devoting some significant time and effort to this project. Some of the due dates go beyond the specific end of the term, and this is to allow you as much time as possible to do this, but you can, if you want to, finish the whole project off on the last Friday of classes and submit it all then. That works perfectly fine also. I just want to give you the option to turn them in that weekend if that works for you. A quick note, there's a link here to this Game Developers Conference. We're looking, I haven't attended this before, but I'm possibly going to attend it this year. And so if you're interested in it, check with me if you're interested in going. It is somewhat costly to do, so we can talk about options. But let's go to the final project and this whole idea. So again, here's the overall description. You can work either as a team or individually on this project. So you can choose a team of 2 or 3 or work by your own self. Unlike Project 3, which you had to do as a team. 2D, 3D, you can start from scratch, or you can extend a project you've already done or an assignment you've already done and build on that for us. This should be a final project that should have a complete user interface, some background sound effect or music or sound effects, you know, that sort of stuff. Interesting gameplay. Try to shoot for maybe engaging a player for 30 minutes if possible. And then you have to implement some of these features here. Now, if you're one person working by yourself, you just have to choose one of these features to implement. If you have a larger team, you have to do one feature for each team member. If none of these sound right and you want to do your own feature, just check with me and I could approve custom feature also. And again, this is worth 100 points. 50 points for the game itself and 50 points with activities leading up to it. So as before, we have to do a game plan. Likewise, there's this link to the sheets. Make sure you're on the final project sheet here. And again, if you're looking to work with another group, you can put your roles here. If you want to work by yourself, just put your team name, whatever. You can use your own name as your team name here. Just indicate how you're doing that, and again, generate the game plan, description of the game, important details of the game, and that sort of information. So this is what you have to do, and submit the link to the Google Doc here. Similarly, we'll want you working on a skills, and there's again 15. I mean, now there's 20 points devoted to this skill. So you should devote some significant time to learning some new things. There's some tutorials here, and again, we can look at your own tutorials. Just let me know if there's some area you want. I'll probably try to post a couple more tutorials here also as some options. Likewise, you want to do a reflection on your game when you're done. How did it work? How did you bring things together? Things like that. And then we want to do a demonstration of this game, either record a video of it or attend a Zoom video. We're going to do the Zoom after the end of the class, so that's why I give you the option to do the video one. And if you're in a group, only one person, you know, we just need someone to demonstrate. Although it will be fun to see all the different games people have made at this time. And finally, you'll complete and submit your finished game here and submit this to be scored, and then the rubric is here, similar to the other rubric in how it's set up for project 3. Same sort of rubric for that. So okay, so that's the game. Let me know if you have any questions for the final project and work on that. Looking forward. It should be a lot of fun.